Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a chopped cheese sandwich, bodega style from New York City. So now for ingredients, let's check down below. The first ingredients you will need is going to be 500 gram ground beef. So I'm going to make two sandwiches. It's going to be 250 grams per portion. So 250 grams for one sandwich. For the sandwich, the one that I use over here is a sub punch or a Subway punch. So if you cannot find this, you can go with hero roll or hoagie roll. And then obviously the cheese that we're gonna do is gonna be American processed cheese. Apart from that, you will need onion. You wanna cook this with the ground beef. And then for the condiments or garnish, you will need a thinly sliced of iceberg lettuce and then thinly sliced tomato. For the seasoning, is very simple. You can do as simple as salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. But in this sandwich, I tried and then I would really like with the Montreal steak spice, which is pretty much available. If you don't have available in your area, you can use just salt, pepper, and paprika and garlic powder. And then instead of mayo, I'm gonna go with the spicy mayo. You can make as simple as mayo and sriracha. And now let's get to cooking. Alright guys, so inside here I put about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Just make sure it's hot enough before you want to put your ground beef inside. I'm just going to wait for a little bit. When it's hot, then I'm going to put the ground beef inside. Now when you see it smoking like this, so it's really hot, so I'm going to just put all my beef. And then I'm going to use this flat spatula. It's kind of like pushing it down. And now we're going to heat it with our seasoning. Onion. Always check on the bottom. Make sure you get crisps up on the bottom before you flip it. Now when it's crisps up, you just want to flip it. We're gonna hit it with another seasoning. Add more. Now we can start chop. We're gonna leave it for a couple minutes. While we're leaving this for a couple minutes to make sure everything here is all crisp up and then all the onion is caramelized, we're gonna heat our bun or toast our bun. Okay, so now I divide it by 2. We're gonna hit it with cheese. Now we're gonna leave it for about 20 seconds or until the cheese melts, okay? So as you can see, it's all melted like this. So I'm gonna turn off the heat. It's all good. I'll put it on the side and then we're gonna prep for the bread. Alright guys, so as you can see, my sandwich is nice and warm, toasty. I removed the inside so we can put more filling. So since our beef is ready, we're gonna fill with the beef. I'm gonna hit it with my sauce. You can use regular mayo, like I told you, if you want. And then now you want a nice crispy lettuce. Make sure you fill to the fullest. And then tomato slice. Last one, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of pepper. I know usually in bodega you want to wrap this and then cut it in half, but now at the moment I'm gonna eat it right away, and I don't have a wrapper, so I'm just gonna squeeze this a little bit, cut it in half, and as you can see, it's very yummy, very delicious. So that's it for our today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe, because subscribe, it's cost you nothing, but it really helps us. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.